We are going to show you how to easily add a number to your mobile fleet via mobile number management. Select Add a number. 3 scenarios are possible. Activate a new Proximus mobile number. Transfer a mobile number from another operator to Proximus. And finally, make a transfer from another Proximus or Pay and Go account. The first step varies depending on the scenario you are following. If you activate a new number, you first choose a physical SIM card or an eSIM card. For a physical SIM card, enter the card number. In the case of an eSIM card, enter the email address of the person to whom the number is assigned. An email will be sent to activate it. You can also easily request physical SIM cards. If you are transferring a mobile number from another operator, enter the existing mobile number details first. Depending on the type of subscription, you then enter the customer account number or the prepaid card number. Tip: ask your employee for this information in advance. Finally, if you transfer a Proximus number, you will be asked to fill out a transfer document. You could download it later. But the actual number transfer will only start from the moment we receive it. In the second step, you choose whether the number gets a full cost profile or a shared costs profile, a split bill. If you have access to the accounts of several companies, first select the one of your choice. With a full cost profile, the company pays the entire bill for this mobile number. Payment is the responsibility of the employer. There are 2 types of split bills. With a private use profile, your employees pay for non-professional use while using the same mobile phone and the same number. They benefit from an affordable professional rate for private calls and data. With a budget manager profile, you can limit your contribution as an employer for your employees. If consumption does not reach this limit, the balance is invoiced to your company. If the limit is exceeded, the balance is charged to both you and your employee. Then select the billing account on which the costs of consumption can be billed. For split bill accounts, select the profile with the desired distribution key for billing. The configuration of the profiles is contractual defined. Please fill in the web form if you can't find the desired profile or you want to activate a specific configuration. Click Next. If you opted for a split bill, you can enter your employee's billing information in this step. If you choose a full cost profile, you won't see this step. Here, you can also activate direct debit for invoices from employees with a split bill profile. Tip: your employees can view and pay their bills themselves via the Proximus Plus app and the MyProximus web app. Then select the subscription you want to activate on this number. The contractual available options are listed here. If you can't find a subscription, please describe it. Then you choose the options for the number. These, too, are contractual. Some examples: cappings and throttlings. You can set a limit on consumption or monthly expenses in Belgium or abroad. You can also choose to surf at a lower speed when you exceed a limit. Or you can choose to deactivate all limits. Barrings. That's blocking specific content. In this way, you can make certain types of usage impossible. A few examples: data consumption abroad. Calls to numbers that offer specific content, such as games. Or to parties that offer paid content, like parking. Roaming outside the EU. This allows you to manage data options for surfing outside of the European Union. Finally, you can also describe here what other options you want to activate on the number. Then select the desired start date. If you do not enter a date, your request will be processed as soon as possible. Finally, you get a summary of all the settings and options for the number to be activated. Here you can still upload any additional information, such as the transfer document. Is everything okay? You can then confirm the creation. The number is created by your Proximus contact and a ticket is created. You can track its creation status via History All Numbers. Scroll down to Actions carried out by your Proximus contact. You can add information to the ticket, for example the signed transfer document. This can be done by clicking on the ticket code and then entering or uploading the missing information. As soon as the number is activated, you can make changes to it by selecting the overview of all numbers. Changes to the number can be initiated easily from the overview of all details. Finally, you can monitor the consumption of all the mobile numbers in your fleet via the usage section. But also your employee can track their usage via the Proximus Plus application and the MyProximus web application. In case of a split bill profile, the employee can also monitor its invoices that way.